Imagine a world without fruits, flowers, almonds, apples, coffee, or even many vegetables. A world where nature slowly falls silent. That world could become reality if one tiny creature disappears. The honeybee. Though small in size, honeybees are among the most important animals on Earth. Their work supports ecosystems, agriculture, and food production for billions of people. Who are honeybees? Honeybees are flying insects belonging to the genus Apis. They have existed for millions of years and evolved alongside flowering plants. Today, honeybees live on every continent except Antarctica. Unlike many insects, honeybees live in highly organized colonies where every individual has a specific role. A single colony can contain 20,000 to 80,000 bees. The three types of bees. The queen. The queen is the only fertile female in the colony. Her main responsibility is laying eggs. During peak season, a healthy queen can lay more than 2,000 eggs in a single day. She may live for several years, making her the longest living member of the hive. Worker bees. Worker bees are females. They perform nearly every task inside and outside the hive. Cleaning cells. Feeding larvae. Producing wax. Building honeycombs. Guarding the entrance. Collecting nectar and pollen. A worker bee usually lives only a few weeks during busy seasons. Drones. Drones are male bees. Their primary purpose is to mate with a queen. Unlike worker bees, drones cannot sting. The amazing honeycomb. Inside the hive, bees construct one of nature's greatest engineering achievements. The honeycomb. Made from wax secreted by worker bees, honeycomb cells form perfect hexagons. Scientists have long admired this structure because hexagons store the maximum amount of honey while using the least amount of wax. How honey is made. Worker bees visit thousands of flowers searching for nectar. Using a specialized tongue, they collect nectar and store it in a separate stomach known as the honey stomach. Back at the hive, the nectar is transferred between worker bees. Enzymes gradually transform the nectar into honey. The bees then fan their wings to evaporate excess water. Once the honey reaches the correct consistency, it is sealed inside wax cells. A single bee may produce only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey during its lifetime. Every jar of honey represents the combined effort of thousands of bees. The secret language of bees. Honeybees possess one of the most advanced communication systems in the insect world. When a worker bee discovers a rich source of flowers, she returns to the hive and performs the famous waggle dance. The dance communicates distance to the flowers, direction relative to the sun, quality of the food source. Other bees observe the dance and fly directly to the location. This remarkable behavior amazed scientists and transformed our understanding of animal intelligence. Pollination, the work that feeds the world. Honeybees are best known for pollination. As bees move from flower to flower, pollen sticks to their bodies. This pollen is transferred between plants, allowing them to reproduce. Approximately 1/3 of the food humans consume depends on pollinators. Without bees, many crops would experience major declines. These include apples, almonds, sunflowers, strawberries, cucumbers, blueberries. Honeybees contribute billions of dollars to global agriculture every year. Defending the hive. Despite their gentle appearance, honeybees are skilled defenders. Worker bees protect the colony using their stingers. When a bee stings a mammal, the barbed stinger becomes lodged in the skin. The bee dies shortly afterward. This ultimate sacrifice helps protect the hive from predators. Bees also release alarm pheromones that alert other workers to danger. Natural enemies. Honeybees face many threats. Predators include bears, hornets, wasps, birds, spiders. One of the most dangerous enemies is the Asian giant hornet. A small group of hornets can destroy an entire hive within hours. Colony collapse disorder. In recent decades, honeybee populations have declined in many regions. Scientists believe several factors contribute. Pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, diseases, parasites such as varroa mites. These pressures can lead to colony collapse, where worker bees disappear and leave the hive unable to survive. Incredible honeybee facts. Bees can recognize human faces. A worker bee visits thousands of flowers daily. Bees fly up to 24 kilometers per hour. A colony may produce tens of kilograms of honey each year. Honey never spoils if stored properly. Bees can see ultraviolet colors invisible to humans. The queen may lay over 1 million eggs during her lifetime. Why honeybees matter? Honeybees are not simply honey producers. They are ecosystem engineers. They support forests, grasslands, farms, and countless species of wildlife. Every flower they visit strengthens the web of life. Without honeybees, entire ecosystems would struggle to survive. Ending narration. As the sun sets over fields filled with wildflowers, thousands of honeybees return home. Each carrying a tiny drop of nectar. Each contributing to something far greater than itself. Their lives are short. Their bodies are small. Yet their impact reaches across continents. In every fruit, every flower, and every harvest, the work of honeybees lives on. They are not just insects. They are among nature's most important architects of life.